we'll be starting the event in the next 5 minutes, so the event will go as follows. There is simple thing. Strategies are out there. How many of you know different strategies? All of us. We are not here to learn strategies, which can be experienced. That's all, right? So end of the session, we'll be covering these things, and we'll also have a Q&A. And without further ado, we'll call Saket on stage. Please give him a round of applause.
So that includes we adding the hedges and cutting the hedges. So that would be the average daily trades. But on an expiry day, it would be quite a lot. So there we would be really aggressive, and easily the orders will go easily over 200, 300 because the quantity is more. So automatically the slicing itself increases the orders moving in one direction. Right? So you end up either closing your loss-making leg and you shift it away, or you either end up closing your profit-making leg and push it closer in. So for in this example, we have shorted 43,800 and 44,200. So let's say we end up moving 2 hours forward. So first, what we will be doing is quickly have a trade review as to what is happening around 11:30. Right? So we have taken a position and we have slightly adjusted the position. So the very first position what we took in the morning was a bullish trade. Right? And we had marked this level, which more or less was the day's low as well as the previous day high. Right? So once this level actually got broken, so then we converted our bullish trade into a range bound trade. So we ended up shorting a put option and a call option, which was more or less range bound. So then what ended up happening, the market further fell, and our range bound trade again ended up becoming more or less bullish trade because the puts went to 35 and the calls came all the way to 22, and it again ended up becoming more or less a bullish trade. And now we have again converted this into a range bound trade where both the options are trading around 37, 38 rupees. The overall exchange has come down all the way from 8K to 3,000. So this is exactly where we started in the morning, around 3,000, and again now we are back to 3,000. So now, like as long as the market continues to stay in this range, I don't see any reason to cut the position or shift the position. Right? So once the market breaks any range, and then I do feel that the things are slightly becoming, the market is becoming very volatile and things are becoming uncomfortable. So then I might actually consider either to cut the whole trade or to do further adjustments. Maybe we'll again review the positions once around just before the lunch break as to what is happening.
In stocks in 2017, I started early when I was in 10th grade. So the thing happened with me was I got fascinated by Warren Buffett a lot. The reason being is his birthday and my birthday comes on the same day. There is nothing else. So I was like, if this guy can sit in a room, अगर वो stock ऊपर जाता है, that is how no risk pyramiding you can do. And if you at any point feel like I have got one stock, ये चलेगा. जब बहुत लोगों को बुलिश लगता है मार्केट, तो मार्केट अगले दिन गैप डाउन होता है, और उसके अलावा आप ये सेम चीज कैश मार्केट में भी होती है. अगर कोई ब्रेकआउट पूरी दुनिया को विजिबल हो रहा है. सो नाउ द फर्स्ट कॉन्सेप्ट, जैसे कि मैं बोल रहा था, मैं आपको सेटअप नहीं बताने वाला हूँ. मोर और लेस विल डिस्कस कॉन्सेप्ट, जो कि आप आगे जाके अगर स्टॉक्स देखते हो तो यू विल कैन मेक द कॉन्सेप्ट बेस्ड ऑन इट एंड उसके बेस पे ट्रेड कर सकते.
आप देख सकते हो हाउ टू कन्वर्ट 10x टू 100 करोड़. किस किस को करना है भाई? मेरे तो कान खड़े हो गए थे. भाई अपने को तो यही करना है. हमेशा से ये था कि 100 करोड़ होना चाहिए. 1 करोड़ सबका एक मिडिल क्लास इनकम का होता है, पर 100 करोड़ सुन के तो कुछ कान ही हिल जाते हैं भाई. हाँ, नाउ इफ वी वांट टू अचीव दिस टारगेट, अभी हमें ये देखना है कि इसको कैसे अचीव कर सकते हैं। सो अभी मैं पर्सनली इंट्राडे स्ट्रैंगल्स मेनली करता हूँ और मुझे वही आता है, उसके अलावा कुछ ज़्यादा आता भी नहीं है, ठीक है। आई फील स्ट्रैंगल्स इज द मदर ऑफ ऑल स्ट्रेटेजी।
So apart from changing this small position in foot, we are more or less exactly where we were before I entered the session. So I haven't made any change to the positions. But you can see, just because the market has moved in our favor, right? So the market we have seen some good consolidation. When I left the stage, we had an end time of around 5,000. Right now we have an end time of around 11,000. That is because nothing much has changed apart from the fact that we have seen some good decay, and only one change in position has been there, and that is because of the premium imbalance. So one was trading around 20, other one was trading around 40. And more of this I was range bound. So if I have a 40 rupee call and 20 rupee put, it would be more or less a bearish trade. And because I didn't want to hold a bearish trade, I shifted this thing. And in case if we end up coming back above these levels where we go beyond 300, maybe that time I will consider going more bullish. That means I will shift my puts to much higher levels, something like 4400.
So, do you guys have experience of in the money strangles, or out of the money is the only game you play?
Strangles, I particularly feel, so especially when you do in the money, right? So the in the money strangles and out of money strangles give you the same payoff.
Yeah.
So payoff wise, there is no difference. Even with respect to the way they react to any kind of market movement, it remains the same. So I don't know why people actually end up doing in the money strangles, because you just end up paying higher transaction costs.
So the team optionables, like I'm following these guys almost from like couple of years, and what I like about these guys is like they're simple and they're a bit open, because like nobody discusses like their profit and loss and many other factors, like the way they were in drawdown for last year for 5 months. Optionables have told me like how I can come back out of such a bad phase. And here today I'm at Washi Mumbai location. So these guys have arranged one free workshop, and they have nominated me almost among like 3,000 people. I got the chance, so like I was quite lucky. And the team, like 3 to 4 guys, have given like a very good explanation on different aspects.
Hi, I'm Akanksha. Today I came here to attend the workshop by Optionables, and I have been following Sake, and it has been a good experience today. And I would like to add that women are now starting trading and taking active participation in trading and investing. And when we talk about the gender equality, it is very important that financial literacy and financial independence plays a very big role in that. And talking about the trading and investing, it's all about the psychology and confidence, and which could be built. It's a process. So for coming here, it really gave me a lot of confidence, and on technical aspects, I gained a lot. And thank you very much.